Cuttler Hammer arc fault circuit interrupter breakers and Murray panels are not interchangeable. Breaker compatibility is crucial for electrical safety and proper circuit protection in new construction. Using incompatible breakers can lead to several problems. Firstly, the breaker might not physically fit into the panel's bus bar, preventing a secure electrical connection. Secondly, even if the breaker seems to fit, the electrical contact between the breaker and the bus bar may be insufficient, leading to overheating and potential fire hazards. Thirdly, incompatible breakers may not function correctly with the panel's internal circuitry, rendering the arc fault circuit interrupter protection ineffective. Arc fault circuit interrupter breakers are designed to detect dangerous arcing faults in electrical circuits, which can cause fires. These breakers trip and interrupt the circuit when an arc fault is detected, preventing the fire. If an incompatible arc fault circuit interrupter breaker is used, it may not be able to properly detect these arcing faults. This situation leaves the electrical circuits unprotected, increasing the risk of fire. When selecting breakers for an electrical panel, it is important to ensure that the breakers are specifically designed and listed for use with that particular panel. The panel manufacturer's instructions and labeling will indicate which types of breakers are compatible. Using only listed and approved breakers ensures proper fit, electrical connection, and arc fault circuit interrupter protection. In new construction, electrical codes typically require the use of arc fault circuit interrupter protection in many circuits, such as those serving bedrooms, living rooms, and dining rooms. These codes are designed to enhance electrical safety and reduce the risk of electrical fires. Because of these code requirements, it is essential to select compatible arc fault circuit interrupter breakers for the electrical panel being installed. Using incompatible breakers can result in code violations, potential safety hazards, and the need for costly rework. When working with electrical systems, always follow safe work practices and consult with a qualified electrician if you have any questions or concerns about breaker compatibility or other electrical issues. Electrical work can be dangerous, and it is important to take all necessary precautions to prevent electrical shock and other injuries. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, it is best to leave the work to a qualified professional. Remember that mixing and matching breakers and panels that are not specifically designed to work together can create a dangerous situation. Electrical panels are designed as a complete system, with each component carefully engineered to work together safely and effectively. Using incompatible components disrupts the system's integrity, potentially compromising its performance and safety. Furthermore, using incompatible breakers can void the panel's warranty and create liability issues in the event of an electrical fire or other incident. Insurance companies may deny coverage if it is determined that incompatible electrical components were used. Therefore, it is always best to err on the side of caution and use only listed and approved breakers for the electrical panel. If you are unsure about which breakers are compatible with your panel, consult with a qualified electrician or contact the panel manufacturer for assistance. They can provide guidance and ensure that you select the correct breakers for your specific application. The bus bar design, the physical dimensions of the breaker slots, and the electrical characteristics of the panel are all factors that determine breaker compatibility. Each panel manufacturer has its own proprietary designs, which are not necessarily compatible with other manufacturers' breakers. Even if two breakers appear to be similar in size and shape, they may not be compatible due to differences in their internal construction or electrical ratings. It is also important to consider the amperage rating of the breakers and the panel. Using breakers with an amperage rating that exceeds the panel's rating can overload the panel and create a fire hazard. Therefore, it is essential to select breakers with the correct amperage rating for the circuits they will be protecting. Furthermore, the panel's labeling will indicate the maximum amperage rating for each breaker position. It is important to adhere to these ratings to prevent overloading the panel. In addition to arc fault circuit interrupter breakers, there are also ground fault circuit interrupter breakers, which are designed to protect against ground faults. Ground faults occur when electricity flows through an unintended path to ground, such as through a person's body. Ground fault circuit interrupter breakers are typically used in wet locations, such as bathrooms, kitchens, and outdoor areas, where there is a higher risk of electric shock. Like arc fault circuit interrupter breakers, ground fault circuit interrupter breakers must be compatible with the electrical panel in order to function properly. Using incompatible ground fault circuit interrupter breakers can compromise their ability to detect ground faults and protect against electric shock. Therefore, it is important to select ground fault circuit interrupter breakers that are specifically designed and listed for use with the electrical panel. When installing arc fault circuit interrupter or ground fault circuit interrupter breakers, it is important to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. These instructions will provide guidance on how to properly install and wire the breakers. Failure to follow the instructions can result in improper operation of the breakers and potential safety hazards. It is also important to test the breakers after installation to ensure that they are functioning correctly. This can be done by using a test button on the breaker or by using a separate tester designed for arc fault circuit interrupter or ground fault circuit interrupter breakers. Testing the breakers regularly helps to ensure that they are providing the intended protection. In summary, Cuttler Hammer arc fault circuit interrupter breakers are not compatible with Murray panels. Breaker compatibility is essential for electrical safety and proper circuit protection. Always use listed and approved breakers for the electrical panel to ensure proper fit, electrical connection, and arc fault circuit interrupter protection. Consult with a qualified electrician or contact the panel manufacturer if you have any questions or concerns about breaker compatibility. Remember that electrical work can be dangerous, and it is important to take all necessary precautions to prevent electrical shock and other injuries. Furthermore, never assume that a breaker will work in a panel just because it appears to fit. Always verify compatibility using the panel manufacturer's documentation. There can be subtle differences in design that are not immediately apparent but can impact performance and safety. Moreover, it is crucial to avoid using counterfeit or uncertified breakers. These breakers may not meet safety standards and can pose a significant risk of fire or electrical shock. Always purchase breakers from reputable suppliers and look for certifications such as UL or ETL. When replacing a breaker, it is important to turn off the power to the circuit before removing the old breaker and installing the new one. This can be done by turning off the main breaker in the panel or by turning off the individual breaker for the circuit. Before working on any electrical equipment, it is also important to verify that the power is off using a voltage tester. A voltage tester can be used to confirm that there is no voltage present in the wires or terminals. It is equally important to properly torque the breaker connections when installing it. Loose connections can cause overheating and arcing, which can lead to a fire. Use a torque wrench to tighten the connections to the manufacturer's specified torque value. The torque value will typically be listed on the breaker or in the panel's instructions. Proper maintenance of electrical panels is an essential task. Regularly inspect the panel for signs of damage such as corrosion, overheating, or loose connections. If any damage is detected, it should be repaired immediately by a qualified electrician. Furthermore, keep the panel clean and free from dust and debris. Dust and debris can accumulate and cause overheating, increasing the risk of fire. In addition, ensure that the panel is properly labeled. Each breaker should be clearly labeled to indicate the circuit it controls. This makes it easier to identify and troubleshoot circuits in the event of a problem. It is also a good idea to keep a record of the panel's wiring diagram and breaker schedule. This information can be helpful for future maintenance and troubleshooting. And finally, remember that electrical codes and regulations are constantly evolving. It is important to stay up to date on the latest requirements to ensure that your electrical system is safe and compliant. Consult with a qualified electrician or electrical inspector to learn more about the current codes and regulations in your area. In addition to the physical and electrical compatibility of breakers, it's also important to consider the interrupt rating of the breakers. The interrupt rating is the maximum amount of fault current that a breaker can safely interrupt. If a fault current exceeds the breaker's interrupt rating, the breaker may fail to interrupt the current, which can result in damage to equipment and potential fire hazards. Electrical panels have a specified short circuit current rating. Breakers installed in the panel must have an interrupt rating equal to or greater than the panel short circuit current rating. The panel short circuit current rating will typically be listed on the panel's labeling. When selecting breakers, it is important to ensure that their interrupt rating meets or exceeds this value. If you are unsure about the short circuit current rating of your panel, consult with a qualified electrician or contact the panel manufacturer for assistance.